Hello everyone. In the previous video, we have discussed the working of if, else and if else if statement. And this video we will look about switch case. What is switch case? Switch case is considered as a multi-way decision statement which are used when there is only one variable to evaluate in the expression, or it is also even used when many conditions are being tested for. There are many advantages of switch statement. To name a few, it is easy to debug, read, understand and maintain. Also, it executes faster than its equivalent if else construct. Why? Because if else has to check each and every condition till it arrives at the correct condition. But whereas in switch case it will directly goes to a particular switch case that we can understand with a with example later, right? So this is the typical syntax of if statement. So what is happening here? If statement, switch variable. So this is a variable. It will compare this variable. If the variable value is 1, then it will execute this block and breaks. It comes out of the loop. Or if variable value is 2, it executes this statement block and breaks, comes out of the loop, right? And finally, by default, if none of these variables are matched, so it will execute this statement block and breaks out of the loop. So this is how a switch statement works, right? So this is a flowchart of the working of the switch statement, right? So it will compare all the variables and execute the corresponding statement block. So we'll see an example of working of switch statement. So this is an example. This is a program to print the day of the week, right? So here we have declared day as integer type of variables. Now I am printing enter any number from 1 to 7. This message is prompted on the screen, right? If we enter the day, any day, so which is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? If you enter number, that he is stored in the address day. Now we'll see this how switch statement works. Switch, in the place of variable we have written day. If day is equal to 1, so it will execute this statement, that is printf backslash n means it goes next line and print it Sunday. Otherwise, what it does, if the case value is 2, it will print Monday and breaks out of the loop, and if the case value is 3, it will print Tuesday and break out of the loop. Or if you enter 7, it does not check all these things, it will go directly here 7 and prints this one Saturday and breaks out of the loop. This is how switch statement works. So here is another example to understand the working of switch statement. So here this is a program to determine whether the entered character is a vowel or not, right? So I have defined ch as character variable, and through this statement I am asking the user to enter any character. When you enter any character, that will be stored as in the address ch character. And this, if when you enter switch loop, if ch character value is equal to capital A or small a, what it does, it will print as vowel. Or if you entered values ch values e, capital E or small e, again it will print vowel. Similarly, it will check for I, O, U. If you enter the value, if it matches with either capital A, E, O, U or small a, U, O, U, it will print it as vowel. If not, otherwise, what it has to print, it will print is not a vowel. For example, if you enter the character J, so J is not matching with A, E, I, O, U, therefore it is not a vowel. So expected answer is J is not a vowel. Okay, So in this video, we have understood the working of switch statement.